going to be targeting very unique locations, first of all, which is going to make it stand apart from the other travel shows. And secondly, we're going to have some cameo appearances, appearances from famous personalities in the show, again, which is going to make it stand apart from the other travel shows. And it's going to be very fun-filled show, very different than the other shows. So this is what we're looking at. Aziz would like to add something to this.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's amazing to see all you lovely people over here. I love you guys. Please excuse my slurring. I think I'm a little drunk, which I always am, every single day. But yeah, please excuse me for this. Okay, so let me tell you about Trippy Traveller. This has been a show which I've been wanting to do it for a very, very long time, and finally, Mr. Mohammad Fassi, he made it come true, and Mr. Mahmood Ali, they finally sanctioned the show. They thought it was worth it, and we're going to have it on the OTT platform, Dawn Cinema. It's a very, very different kind of show. I know that is what everybody says, so I'm going to use the same cliched line. My show is very different from others, guys. Very different. Okay? Yeah, it is. Thank you very much. Okay. From the person who was one of the hosts of the show. So we have a lot of celebrities coming in to different locations, to different places where no man has gone before. They're going to do things that nobody else has done. They're going to show things that people wouldn't want to see. Exactly. So that's what the whole show is all about. I want to call on stage right now the people who are involved in Trippy Traveller. Shweta Khanduri, who's right here right now, she was one of those. Mr. Rehan Shah, the man who dressed these girls up, or whatever little he gave them to wear. But yeah, he's the man who did that. And then I have Eliza Sarkar. Eliza is here. Eliza! Stop drinking and come here.
We need to take the shot.
Yep. So he's one of the directors of the show and the cinematographer. So yeah, I want you guys to watch this show because it's not going to be like the normal travel shows that happen. You're going to be shocked. It's a wild and wacky show. I hope all of you all follow it, and I hope you go to the destinations that we are going to do. We are going to be traveling all over the world in the next 1 or 2 years, and only Dawn Cinema is going to make this happen possible. Thank you everybody for this.
What do I say? We're so excited because we're such a lovely team. We went, I think we were the first one to go on the floor to start shooting. And with Aziz has been, I think, years back we have been shooting together, and now Fassi Bhai and Mahmood ji getting on board. Okay, no Bhai.
Can people stop calling them Fassi Bhai and Mahmood Bhai?
Okay, not calling them Bhai, but that's the next episode, so No, not calling them Bhai. But trust me, it's one of the most amazing thing that we have shot. Not the regular one, क्योंकि रेहान है और हमें ऐसा trippy style किया है रेहान ने कि मैं क्या बताऊँ. And what do I say? When we say it's different, it is different क्योंकि हमारे looks बहुत different है, place बहुत different है. We started with Manala और Manala जितना मैं बोलूँ उतना कम है. किस चीज़ के लिए वो जाना चाहता है? सबको पता है. I think since the start to the end, I'm still bad with the name of the place.
You are still tripping.
I'm still tripping with Trippy Travellers and Malana. And what do? And for the first time, Aziz did trek. He trekked, and I made him trek, and it was commendable. I'm so proud of you. 2 hours we had to trek to reach that place. And you have to see that episode because the story behind it is amazing. You have to see him trekking because you might have seen me trekking to Mount Everest, but trekking for him is a very, very different task. So, yes, but I'm so proud of you, and thank you guys for making me part of this beautiful show and showing me a different part. Though I'm Pahari, but ये part मैं नहीं गई थी, और thanks to Aziz and Mohammed Bhai and Mohammed ji and Fasi ji that I could go to this place and explore it, and many more places to come. So Rehan, thank you for styling me so beautifully, and he will say how he felt styling us.
Well, hello everyone. Well, I got a call middle of the night, someone very close to my heart from his washroom, and it was Mohammed Aziz. Abdul Aziz, but I call him Mohammed also. So he was like, Rehan, finally this is the thing which I really want you to do, because you can really give what I wanted. Because I'm known for extra clothing, extra things. So I'm thank you so much Aziz, thank you very much Fasi ji, Fasi Bhai for me, because I've been knowing him since many years. Mr. Mahmood ji and Dawn Cinema and my love Sanobar, I love you. So it was wonderful working, and I think we're gonna rock. And Aziz, you did a wonderful, whatever little what we have seen in the trailer, it's amazing, and I'm so looking forward for many more episodes. Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले आप लोगों का शुक्रिया, आप लोग यहाँ तक आए। मेरे कुछ दोस्त दिल्ली से, कुछ दोस्त मद्रास से, हैदराबाद से, बैंगलोर से आए हैं। इन सब का और मीडिया का शुक्रिया, इतना देर वेट करने के लिए। आप लोग इतना वेट किया, आप लोगों ने अपना सब्र दिखाया, थैंक यू सो मच। और जो टॉकर हाउस है, ये हमारा वो घोड़ा है जो पूरे डॉन सिनेमा की रथ को लेके चला था पहले, और अब भी वो चलने वाला है, इसको मैं प्रॉमिस करता हूँ। थैंक्स टू भूमिका कलिता, भूमिका ने जो क्रिएटिवली काम किया इसके ऊपर, आई एम रियली थैंक्स टू हर, एंड थैंक्स टू अमान ने जिस तरीके की कास्टिंग ला के दी हमें। और डेफिनेटली ये शो को डायरेक्ट करने के लिए कोई पागल डायरेक्टर चाहिए था, तो वो पागल डायरेक्टर हम सबका चाहता, एक बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसकी, तो अजीज जी ऑन द रॉक। तो थैंक यू एवरीवन, सपोर्ट अस, एंड इन द एंड आई विल से प्लीज keep watching Dawn Cinema.
Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for coming. It's a big day for Dawn Cinema. Dawn Cinema's come back actually with a big bang. So thank you everyone for coming. And yeah, Talkers House के बारे में हम क्या बोले? Talkers House ने पहले ही पूरे इंडस्ट्री को हिला दिया था, लेकिन इस बार और डबल एनर्जी के साथ टॉकर्स हाउस को हिलाने वाला है। सो यार, जस्ट कीप वॉचिंग डॉन सिनेमा, दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से। और हाँ, हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब जो अभी हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं इस टॉकर्स हाउस को डायरेक्ट करने के लिए, सो वी विल ऐड ऑन हिज ओन एनर्जी टू मेक इट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ बैंग। सो या, वी ऑल आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड एंड वी ऑल विल बी ब्रिंगिंग अ वेरी नाइस शो टू यू ऑल। थैंक यू।
जब टॉकर हाउस हुआ था, we are coming up with a big bang again, and the people who are joining them is very different, like categories बोलो, वो फन है, मस्ती है, फाइट है, कुछ लोग सीरियस है, कुछ लोग मस्ती वाले हैं, कुछ लोग बहुत ही ज़्यादा चुप वाले भी होंगे, बट वो पता चलेगा जब अंदर जाएंगे वो लोग, क्योंकि बाहर सब अच्छे ही रहते हैं, अंदर जाके लोग पलट जाते हैं। तो लेट्स सी कौन कितना कास्टिंग जितना हुआ है वो कितना अच्छा अंदर प्रेजेंट करता है अपने आप को, एंड होप फॉर द बेस्ट। एंड फेसेस भी बहुत जल्दी रिवील भी हो गए, वी विल बी हैविंग अ लॉन्च डेट फॉर द रिवील, so stay tuned for the Talker House and big bang. Best of luck for Talker House.
Okay, I'm back again. I'm very excited to be part of the Talker House now. This is going to be a very addictive show. I'm sure the audience and the people who are going to be involved inside, this is going to be a very crazy show. So I just want all of you guys to tune in for this and hoping for the best. Thank you everybody for being here. Thank you very much.
आजकल छाए हुए हर जगह पे, तो हम इनके साथ में लेकर आए एक शो लीगल जोन, जो अपने आप में बिल्कुल अलग शो है।
हेलो एवरीवन, महमूद भाई जो है वो आप जो जानते रहोगे और जो नहीं जानते रहोगे, उनका अपना एक ब्रांड है, खुद एक नाम से एक ब्रांड है। और जो मेहनत और जो मुशक्कत करके आज वो जो प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो खड़े हैं वो आज आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि ठीक है वो लेकिन उसके पीछे क्या मेहनत है उनकी और क्या हार्डवर्क है वो सिर्फ वो जाते हैं और उनसे जो जुड़े हुए लोग हैं वो जाते हैं। तो बेस्ट विशेष है डॉन सिनेमा को और महमूद अली को और ऐसे ही जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते रहिए और कुछ अनाउंसमेंट तो महमूद भाई खुद ही करेंगे।
जो लीगल जोन है आप अली काशिफ को जानते होंगे, इनके कितने कंट्रोवर्शियल केसेस रहे हैं, तो हम इनको सबको इकट्ठा करके एक शो लेकर आ रहे हैं जिसका नाम है लीगल जोन और हम इस संडे से हम उसका शो शुरू कर रहे हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
हेलो हेलो, अभी आप लोग है ना ये फंक्शन के बाद प्लीज़ डॉन सिनेमा लोड करिए, डाउनलोड करिए और वायरल करिए। Thank you very much.
I wish him all the very best. It's Dawn. I'm intrigued by the name Dawn Cinema. किस तरह का सिनेमा होगा, क्या होगा उसके अंदर, I don't know at the moment, but I'm very intrigued by the name Dawn. And इसीलिए मैं थोड़ा ऐसे कपड़े पहन के आई हूँ ताकि मैं भी लगूँ कि मैं अंडर कवर कुछ हूँ, ताकि मैं डॉन सिनेमा में देखूँ डॉन कौन है, फिर तो पकड़ के। Thank you so much, Paru.
It's actually good for actors like us because every day the talents are increasing. And it's important to have many OTTs because it's good even for the work and for every artist there are many actors, so of course the more the OTT is the more opportunity we get. Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
और प्लेटफॉर्म आ रहा है और भी आएंगे। कहने का मतलब ये है कि हिंदुस्तान की तादाद को मद्देनज़र रखते हुए all are welcome and I wish Dawn platform the very best and खासकर अजीज़ ट्रिपी जो उसका शो लॉन्च हो रहा है, I wish him the very best.
I would just like to congratulate Dawn Cinema and अच्छी बात है एक और OTT आ रहा है। I hope इसके साथ और अच्छा काम भी आए।
हाँ, जितना ज़्यादा प्लेटफॉर्म उतना ज़्यादा
काम होगा।
So we actors are happy कि yes, please keep coming. Okay, see you guys.
They're entering the market at just the right time. India now has grown exponentially. I think we have almost about 800 million plus actively engaged viewers on OTT, and I think total number of OTTs are almost about 60 plus. So they are entering the market at a very mature, market. And content is going to be playing a very big differentiator. So I wish and I'm assuming and I'm hopeful that Dawn Cinema will bring a lot of disruptive and disruptively engaging content. I wish them all the best. I'm aware of a couple of very interesting shows that they are launching their property with. One of them is a travel based show by Aziz, my dear friend Aziz Z, which has been packaged very differently, and I'm assuming a lot of other content is going to be equally exciting. So I wish Dawn Cinema a wonderful journey in this incredibly exciting OTT space in the country. Thank you.
I think it's amazing. ऐसे competitive time में if Dawn has come in the market, I'm sure वो कुछ ऐसा अलग करेंगे या ऐसा कुछ धमाका करेंगे that it gives platforms a nice healthy competition and also a lot of creators, चाहे वो producers हों चाहे content creators हों, उनके लिए एक मौका मिलेगा एक और platform पे आने का. So I'm really happy that something like this is happening.
आप देख रहे हैं काफी लंबे टाइम से रेट्रो लुक को फॉलो करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, इसके पीछे कोई राज आप कुछ बताना चाहेंगे?
बड़ी अजीब सी बात आप ये कह रहे हो क्योंकि मैं पिछले 2 दिन से एक पुरानी पिक्चर थी स्टार कुमार गौरव की, मैं उसी को सुन रहा हूँ, पता नहीं क्या एक फुल रेट्रो मूड में हूँ. सो इट्स बड़ी नॉस्टैल्जिक सी फीलिंग आती है एंड आई एंजॉय. आई थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ द स्टाइलिंग, इन टर्म्स ऑफ द फील, आई थिंक रेट्रो लुक वापस आ रहा है. द बेल बॉटम्स, द पोल्का डॉट्स, you got it, yeah, and just the whole feel, the whole vibe, the whole Dawn vibe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Take care, guys.